Health experts say that pizza should be avoided at all costs, as it's typically made with unhealthy refined carbs and loaded with fattening toppings. Here are 9 reasons why you should skip ordering pizza. 1. One slice can have a lot of calories. According to Cosmopolitan, one large slice of pepperoni pizza can contain at least 310 calories. That's not totally terrible if you're just eating one slice, but most people always eat at least 2 slices per sitting. 2. The grease isn't doing you any favors. Notice how greasy your pizza is sometimes? Well, it turns out that all of the grease is loaded with cholesterol that will ultimately end up clogging up and hardening your arteries. 3. The crust is made with refined carbohydrates. Carbs are actually good for your body, but only when they're whole grains that haven't been bleached and stripped of their nutrients. Pizza dough is typically made with refined flour, which increases your risk for abdominal fat. 4. The cheese is filled with saturated fat. Cheese is the best part of a pizza, but all of that ooey-gooey cheese is actually loaded with saturated fat. Each 5-ounce serving of cheese pizza contains 18 grams of fat, or 28% of the daily value for fat. Saturated fat makes up about 6 grams of this fat. 5. Adding meat as a topping isn't good for you either. Like your extra cheese topping, adding meat to your pizza isn't good for your waistline either. Depending on the meat you choose, you could be adding even more saturated fat on top of all of the saturated fat from the cheese. Six. Pizza is high in sodium. Sodium can be found in the cheese, sauce, and extra toppings in your pizza. A 5-ounce slice of cheese pizza contains 675 milligrams of sodium, or 29% of your recommended salt for the day, according to SFGate. 7. The toppings may be processed. Most commercially prepared pizza chains use some seriously unhealthy toppings on their pizzas. Including low-quality meats like sausage, pepperoni, and bacon that are high in fat and low in nutrients. 8. There may be preservatives in your pizza. Pizza chains may use preservatives in their dough and sauce to extend its shelf life, enhance its taste, and maintain their brand's desired texture and color. Make sure that you're not consuming unhealthy preservatives by checking out the ingredients list of your favorite pizza chain before ordering. 9. Excessive pizza consumption can lead to a slew of diseases. We all wish we could eat pizza at every meal. But overconsuming pizza can lead to diseases like heart disease and high blood pressure because of its high fat and sodium content. And that's it. This has been Healthy Girl. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below.